Why y'all got them fucked up, ugly ass rims on your car?
Mind your business.
Huh. Half you bitches got it.
Sorry, I had to get talk to come through on one.
Lucas, it was me. It was me.
Anita,
It was my bubble.
what's wrong with you?
It was my bubble. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you
I'm
fix
sorry.
it?
I didn't see it happen.
Oh, whatever.
You
It's
didn't see it
okay,
happen. I can't
Anita.
believe that. I can't believe that.
didn't.
Oh, Matt Rose is coming for you. What are you gonna do?
Oh my god.
Let him.
Oh,
Oh.
oh.
I'm not trying to fight Rose.
What?
why not?
Why not?
What?
I know my place.
Oh,
Oh, damn. Okay.
Dang
All
it.
right.
I
You know
pick my
what? You
battles.
know what? I need to put you on to this new artist. I can't do it. I
Shut
can't.
the fuck up. You're so stupid. You're literally so dumb. Radio attack.
And two.
308, 10 a.m. C-117.
Listen here, bitch. Don't be giving that Ultima energy right now, okay? You know, bitches who drive Ultimas are crazy.
Shut the fuck up.
You drive an Ultima?
You drive an Ultima.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Ow. Bitch.
Dispatch 61030 with the in color Blitzer, South
Ooh.
Elgin crossing is going to be San Andreas. That's my time as well.
08, attack.
Cox's lock 76.
21722.
Do we troll on the radio?
I have a shot. Cox's Glock's 23.
Mm-mm-mm. It's in a manic mood today? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, okay. Can I see your ID, please?
Is there a chase happening on a different channel?
From channel 2.
Oh, okay. I was like, why is there so many mentions of face hitter?
Yeah, they're on a foot pursuit or like swimming through the canals or something.
You know what? While we got some, you know, dead space here on the radio, listen. I found this new artist.
That's fucked
Her
up.
name is Chappelle.
That's the right bitch. Not Chappelle. Girl, you got Nikki and Anita heated at this 38.
Excuse me? You don't
Chappelle Rowan.
It's
She's so good.
Wait, who is that?
Oh,
Stream the rise and fall of a Midwest princess out now on Spotify.
Is she an artist?
Nikki just had
Yes,
to the fucking...
yes.
No,
Chip-
break really quick. Nikki goes to the blister that she has pulled over and says, "You're free to go. I have to deal with something very gay."
38 is code for, what are we talking about? Chappelle?
Yep,
we know what you
Chappelle,
are. We know what you are.
Chappelle Rowan.
No, it's Chapel Run.
Spell
Say
for
it
the
with
bay.
me. Chappell. Chapel.
Is it Chappelle or Chapel?
No, it's Chappelle.
No, it's not.
Says who?
How do you spell chapel like as in a church? Like a
C-H-A-P-E-L. Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's 1P.
Okay, it's only one. Well, I mean, I guess we'll see it being the same.
Chap-Pell. That's how it's spelled.
Well, you guys should listen to this song called Hot to Go, or Naked in Manhattan, or all the other songs, you know?
No, no. Good luck, babe. And Pink Pony Club.
Oh, Pink Pony Club makes me
And
feel like
Subway.
a whore, though.
What have I caused?
All I can think while listening to y'all on radio right now is, man, Jeffrey really is ran by the girls in the game.
We're listening to Chopper
Hey,
Room.
child, TDLGO, snapping, clapping, touching toes.
What about
bang your
Chappelle?
hands, new roll.
We're listening to her right now.
Oh my God! The new
What's the song
artist,
I
new
showed you,
artist. I
Christy?
found her first.
Oh, I found her
You know,
first
I'm
time.
not a girl, nor am I gay, but it's a good time, I'll say that much.
You can't
You
take
can't
me
take
hard
me
to
hard
go.
to go.
I dubbed Maple a girly.
Hmm.
Oh my god, we should quiz people in Chopper Room.
Got some blocks tonight.
It's Chappelle.
It should be an interview
Getting
question.
ossified.
It's
Girl and Ben.
Chapel.
Hmm. Girl, the only thing chapped here is them lips. I gotta go.
I'm your favorite artist.
You heard this whole ass man saying there was a jump scare during the fucking meeting.
Look, guys, look at this jump scare I'm about to post on the board. It was! Lucas hugging a fucking bird, man.
Yeah, but it was a close up of Lucas's face that I wasn't ready for when I took the picture.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
If you saw that picture up close and personal, there's a lot more that makes it a real jump scare.
No, we were listening to Chopper Room.
I'm your fartest.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Just a second, let me close on lights.
213
Oh.
UPD. We're going to be listening to radio along together. You can see the channel in the general chat of Discordia. Okay, everybody jump in together.
Oh,
We're all
hell
gonna
yes.
listen. Okay, I'll get in together now.
Spotify, listen along. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, 10 for that. I'm in.
Hold on. And then, wait, it says I'm along. Hold up. Let me cancel this. There we go. Oh my God! It's my new favorite artist. I found first. It's Chappelle.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
Honey Lucas, that's the wrong side of the road.
You murdered someone that was driving on the correct one, Lucas.
10 to RTO. 94.
230.
Cox and blocks.
213.
Triple 2 seconds, throw him up.
Everyone come to where O's was. Unpopular, please. Thank you.
Hmm.
6, 7, 9, 10, 8.
Plate of the penumbra we're looking for ends in 632. That's 632.
Said that I was going southbound, unknown. If that's the case.
Mirror pockets code 4.
Got nothing by Life Invader.
Dispatch 424 10-8.
A firm, be on the lookout for a black and colored penumbra. Last seen eastbound along Alta near Del Perro. Like that general cross area. They end in 632.
Okay.
Hmm. I got nothing on the west side.
Little's code 4 as well.
Northbound. Las Lagunas is good for.
Going south to North Rockford is code 4 as well.
Copy you.
I'm heading over towards like Milton. Okay.
Dispatch 360 10-8.
What did you just do? Trying to think of the 45 months. I appreciate it.
We're still gone. Woo! Good job, Anita! Everyone say thank you, Kirk Jerk.
Alright, let's see how many of us can get down for without 13 Bravo.
Oh,
Touch the blocks!
311 to call signs.
Yes, I'm doing something.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're all bored, huh?
Bitch, I'm flying first class to the laundromat. I'm on the way. We're having a day.
Dispatch 360, I'll attempt to make contact right now. Is there a free channel for this?
Channel 2, I think, collapsed.
Okay, copy. 360, I'll move on to, or I'll check channel 2 real quick and then move you there.
Just make sure that, I know there's like 311, make sure that the first people go, please.
Alright, sorry, channel 2 is clear.
Be advised, Aro, the juggler parked outside, is Chaz Diaz, who has an active warrant out for his arrest. 230 is pulling off to the gas station refueling.
Triple two turning there.
217, same traffic.
This my song! It's Chappelle! It's Chappelle!
Did anybody document the ocelot?
Two and three, if you were at the laundromat, please mark yourself on the card. I marked 6 people. If you were not there, the person's not there, can you remove them? I'm not on scene.
Yes.
Thank you.
No more court cases.
7 type shit, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, can I request a bench trial once you guys catch me? I'm already pre-requesting.
There's no
a bench trial.
judges. There's no government.
I can judge the case myself. Okay,
Can I put y'all on to my new favorite artist?
Yeah.
Oh.
Her name is Chappelle Rowan.
Yay! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Yes, I love Chappelle Rowan.
Well,
Oh
sir,
my
sir, what's your
God.
name? Did these people hurt you? Anything like that? You need food, water, sir,
This
with
is
the hands
Cisco.
up.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, my name is Cisco.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Cisco. Okay, well,
Cisco,
listen,
ain't that
you
like
don't need
a
any food, water,
a
anything?
food company?
No, that's couscous.
I thought it was the guy from The Flash.
Couscous.
No, Ron,
Wait,
you're thinking of
Cisco?
Costco.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
Cisco?
No,
Yeah,
no, they
Flash-
provide
No,
food to
Cisco,
like
yeah.
restaurants.
No, she need the TV show. Yeah.
Oh, wait, yeah, you
Cisco's
might
an
be
actual
right,
thing.
actually.
You might be right, actually.
Yeah, Cisco TV show. Yeah, that show
Damn.
like started off kind of okay, and then it just went downhill.
Oh, no, I'm not talking about the
It's like a lot
I
of
think
shows, though.
Cisco is the thing.
What?
And then isn't Cisco
Food?
also like a networking company? Like they make routers and shit.
Cisco's a
Alright,
pretty
I'm
common
leaving.
word, huh?
Apparently, your name is ununique.
Yeah, somehow
That's
the
very
name
mean.
like
That's very
Cisco
mean.
is
Okay.
ununique.
Okay.
I said what
That's
I
very
said.
mean. That's very mean. Cisco, would you like to stay with us? Because these guys are kind of mean.
Cisco, we care about
no.
you, just not your name. We
Yeah.
do
No,
need your
I
name.
don't
We
know,
need
man.
it,
I
but
don't
we care
know.
about you.
Yeah,
We care
have
about you
guns
because we
pointed
have
at
to,
us.
not
There
because we
is
want
a-
to.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna
Oh,
wait in my
now
car.
you're
I
sounding
gotta
like my
go.
mom.
They're great,
That's what my
but
mom
they
said.
ruin the pictures. I can't.
You see, Cisco with SYS is food, and CISCO is technology. That's what it was.
How's theirs spelled?
Yeah, I'll do it.
What was your name? Lil Wood?
This is.
Singer in the 90s? Damn. Cisco has a lot of different.
I'm picking up Lucas. I'll be right back.
How come the music stopped?
Just change your songs.
A firm. Oh.
Has the Percy order been set up yet?
Negative.
Sorry, we're still negotiating. They're trying to ask for the Hydra special right now.
Girl, jump scare.
What the fuck is a high special?
It's like I don't know. They just want to get gunned down the moment they step out.
Oh, say that.
This glass ain't bulletproof, right?
I don't think so.
Everything but the face. Okay. Yeah. Honestly, you should probably put your glasses away. No mask on during this ride.
How come this kind of looks like older style BMW rims? Is it BMW?
You negotiate for us. What do we want? What do we want?
At least I will be right back and set up the pursuit order while Cisco's done.
What do you want?
Okay.
Alright, dispatch 360. I will set up the pursuit order now. We will do Davenport primary. I'm down for that. Let's see. Davenport. Oh, let's have it like the old days. Davenport primary. We have Sky secondary. I'll be tertiary. Is there anyone doubled up that can take the hostage? Motor. Can you guys do that actually? Cock lock. Glock cock. Drop cock.
Yeah, we can. The only thing is that the hostage is potentially, we gotta confirm identity. The hostage might be Chaz Diaz who has a warrant. We don't know for sure.
Negative. That is not the
That is
hostage.
definitely not
It's
Chaz
not Chaz
Diaz.
Diaz. Okay, never mind. That's what Rose said.
You can tell when it's Chaz because he got. Yeah, no, that's not what I said.
don't got
I said
shoes.
the
You
vehicle
don't got
parked
shoes.
outside is registered to somebody with an active warrant.
Oh, then I'm just fucking.
Chaz
I'm
Diaz
sorry.
ain't even here. Y'all check their feet or what?
Yeah, they got yellow banana shoes on.
Wait, who does? I
No,
don't see anyone.
whenever Chaz is present, the yellow banana shoes.
That's like saying Flippy in here when there's no one wearing a monkey mask.
Bad. I thought I heard somebody say that he might have been in
Alright.
here. I misheard. I'm sorry. Yeah, we can take
Cock
hostage.
Glock,
No problem.
you guys take hostage. We'll have Davenport primary, Sky secondary. I'll be tertiary, and then the rest parallel.
Where the fuck you putting me?
One of the hostages.
Oh
demands
shit,
the
never mind. Wait, Rose is in here?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry, I was busy thinking of. Oh.
You got me
Hold
fucked
on.
up.
How was the old shift 3? Was it you? No, Davenport was definitely Davenport definitely better driver than you. You definitely put Davenport on primary.
Okay.
Okay. All right, new order. Sorry, I'm trying to get OG shift 3. We go Davenport primary, Rhodes secondary, and then Sky tertiary, and then we will parallel with drop Glock, cock drop hostage. Yep.
Hawks with Glocks.
Did Cisco negotiate or what?
They said gun down as soon as they come out, right?
That is
I got the
devious.
drop. We're ready.
There's no shot.
Pitts, tell them to come out and look up when they come out.
Yeah, Pinzone, tell them to come out and look up. Pins, tell them to come out and look up.
Yeah, hold on. We'll let them know when the firing squad's ready. Hold on.
Yeah, the firing squad is ready.
Wait, has anyone taken photos of the suspects inside of the laundromat?
Yeah, I got pictures.
And I got the car marked up.
Do you know what's crazy? A single wash is $3, but a triple wash is only $4.50.
Actually, can everyone spit on me?
What?
Oh my fucking no! Ain't no way, nah! What the fuck, Benzo?
What the fuck did he just say?
He said, actually, can everyone spit on me?
You guys heard that, right?
What the fuck?
Girl, get your husband.
All right, they're still trying to think about what to negotiate for here. They don't want to get gunned down anymore. They're like 50-50 on whether they want to get gunned down.
What? Come on.
In zone, if they're 50-50 about the shooting, just tell them to come out and look up first.
What the fuck is that?
Here, let me change your mind. Come over here. Give me a second.
Who's doing
Yo,
that?
guys, come out here real quick.
Somebody honk. Whoever was honking their horn, you need to drive away.
Oh wait, wait, can you still hear the horn?
Yeah.
Sorry, sorry.
Are you guys?
Is driving away sufficient?
Rodney, coming on.
I'm pulling up. Can y'all still hear the horn?
Yeah, you didn't go far enough.
It's that horn.
Red, you might have to valet your car.
I'm a valet that bitch in the middle of the road.
Do it.
I don't hear it anymore.
Well, local tow took it. I'm on the way.
All right, they're ready to move out now.
I'm pulling up.
It was so dank with that horn, I stopped thinking. Oh, sorry, I did not want to jump. No. I didn't leave it now.
424, got your primary. Exiting northbound Strawberry, left, westbound 22, that U-turn, southbound Strawberry. Right, westbound through the Forum back alleys. We're crossing Forum drives to westbound. Left, southbound. Right, westbound Carson. Crossing Alta. Continuing westbound on Innocence. Right, eastbound Adams Apple. U-turning the off-road, going down to La Puerta, lower, northbound, still off-road, eastbound, coming out Alta, standby direction, left, northbound Alta. Approaching Vespucci, crossing Vespucci, northbound Alta. Crossing San Andreas. Full northbound Alta, approaching Occupation. Left westbound Occupation. Right northbound Los Lagunas. Approaching Spanish, northbound Los Lagunas. Left westbound Spanish. Slide 50, still mobile, westbound Spanish. Left, southbound, eastbourne. Approaching the old courthouse, westbound, eastbourne.
Who's our primary target?
10-9?
In zone, who's our primary target?
Primary target would be duffel bag. That Carl.
Eastbound Dorset, approaching Rockford Plaza. Alright, southbound, Los Lagunas. Andreas. Right, westbound, San Andreas. Braking. Pulling up at the food court. Holding someone up.
repair yet. We have demands. We'd like
40
to
will stay
repair
back to
our
the car.
Oh wait, how's their vehicle smoking?
They
Turns out he's a
crashed.
local in Spanish.
Hey, firm.
They're asking for a repair. They've got a hostage pins.
Yeah, I would say let them repair, and then we can just get aggressive with them.
Guys, why's it taking so long?
Okay.
Hear me out. The little slip from Calais to Palomino, I'm putting spikes. We'll see if they take. We'll see if they take it.
Okay.
I fucks with it.
At 7, I'll get
Oh, shit, no
spikes
bikes.
inside white garage if they choose to go that route instead.
They're asking for Air 1.
Everyone could barely keep up with the scooter.
I was about to say. No.
All right, if y'all have the ability to, lead them to the slip from Calais to Palomino.
Parallels, you should set up spikes so that it kind of guides them to that. They can visually see that you're looking like you're spiking.
Honestly, just position your car in the middle of the road. Yeah, whoever's to the south of the. Go.
Can anyone stay back? Can anyone stay back to get the hostage statement real quick?
I can. 217.
Okay, copy.
297, I'm gonna have spikes ready in white garage.
Anita, get over here so they can pass her over.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Good spike set up on San Andreas. Incorrect lanes.
Y'all make sure you're sitting next to your spike so that nobody scoops them up.
317's here.
Mounting back up.
Yeah, they're mounting up right now and they're leaving.
Left, southbound. They're coming alley. 22 that they went through the little squeeze through yellow buildings. PCB.
So exit on Vespucci Boulevard. Exiting Vespucci. Right, west on Vespucci. Left, south on Palomino Avenue, approaching Lindsay. Crossing Lindsay Circus. Emerging westbound Palomino Avenue, approaching South Rockford. Braking left, southbound South Rockford Drive. Braking left east through the Korean Plaza parking lot, exiting Calais. Left north on Calais. Crossing Adams Apple, to north on Calais. Braking right east into the construction site. Wrapping south, merging west, immediate left south. Another left east. They're just doing circles in the construction site. Merging north. They might take the jump out to the Vespucci. Attempting to take the jump. Jumping onto Vespucci and Calais. 50. Taking off again. North on Calais. Right east on Vespucci. Left north. Entering the white garage parking lot. Being north of San Andreas. Approaching the hump. Past San Andreas. Merging north on off-road. Approaching Del Perro Freeway. Right eastbound Del Perro Freeway. Correct lane to travel. Crossing under Las Lagunas. Braking, U-turning to the west, holding right for the La Puerta on-ramp, right north, off-road, approaching Las Lagunas. Left, and immediate, merging northbound San Vitas Boulevard, parallel with Rockford Plaza, crossing Carcer Way, approaching Hallway. Braking, crossing Hallway, taking north on San Vitas, Spanish. Crossing Spanish to the north, through the parking. Intercept on North Archer.
Oh!
They're hopping out on foot. Through an alley to the west.
I'm gonna circle around to the alley.
Copy. We'll stay on the jugular. Let's just run out on foot. Intercepts would be Eclipse and Vitas, I believe.
No vehicle in the alley that I can see. Unless it's parked in one of the properties to the north?
We'll hold our comms for you, Code 6. Actually, until you see, we'll keep comms right now. We're south on Milton.
Primary's double. South on Milton Road. Crossing Hawick. Merging south on 8 Milton. Cross Eastbourne. Left east on Carcer. Immediate right is southbound 8 Milton opposing the travel.
360 taking comms. We are doubled as well. We're northbound San Betas Boulevard. Opposite lane to travel, back to correct. Do you know who got out, Lucas? Right east on Carcer?
It was two suspects. I believe main
Tinfoil
target got
hat.
out as well. It was duffel bag. They ran to the west, and then I couldn't see from the alley there. They might still be there.
No, I see 3 in the thing. We're west on Hayward.
2 suspects exited that vehicle.
I circled around
No,
pretty quick. I didn't see anything exit.
Has anyone gone into that alley on foot to make sure that they're not concealed?
From Bone is back here.
I guess they just vanished. We're left east on San Andreas. I'll just keep the comms in until you guys see them. We're east on Spanish. I still see, or east San Andreas. I still see the female here and another individual, the one wearing the blue jacket.
Okay, the one that stepped out had the tinfoil hat.
A-frame.
Copy. We're right south on Strawberry, right west on Vespucci, immediate left through the alleyway, southbound. Yeah, there's only 2 in this car. Yeah, I got it. There's only
214
2.
is going to set up spikes for the baseball diamond.
We're left westbound through Vespucci, right northbound Elgin. I would say the main target for the juggler would be the female. We're left westbound San Andreas, left southbound Power, left eastbound through an alleyway parallel to San Andreas, left northbound onto San Andreas eastbound, right southbound Elgin, left east Vespucci, cross Strawberry, so east Vespucci, left northbound Center. Still continuing north on Center, left westbound San Andreas Avenue. Left southbound Strawberry. Still continuing southbound Strawberry, right westbound Vespucci. Still westbound Vespucci, cross Elgin. Right northbound through an alleyway parallel to Elgin. Right east on San Andreas. They're just doing circles around Legion Square, to be honest. We're right east on San Andreas, right southbound Strawberry. They're just constantly doing circles. This blue Premier looks sussy.
Alleyway.
Copy. We're westbound Vespucci. It looks like they're leaving now. Cross Power. Yeah, they're leaving Legion Square. So cross Alta. They're behind us now. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. They're west on Vespucci. Oh my god. We're right north on Calais. U-turn. South on Calais. Immediate right west on Vespucci. Still west of Vespucci. Right north on Palomita Avenue. Cross San Andreas. So northbound Palomita Avenue. No, disregard, taking a right east on Dorset. Right southbound on Dorset. They're headed eastbound Dorset Drive now. So east on Dorset. 360 Tertiary.
Okay, northbound.
They proceeded east up on
Continue north Los
It's still north Los
over
Lagunas.
Highway.
Still north? They may have braked, I'm unsure.
Cross Spanish, continue north on Los Lagunas to Vinewood Boulevard. 50 on Vinewood and Los Lagunas. Merging north on Los Lagunas. Right east on Clinton. Approaching Alta. Crossing Alta, continue east on Clinton. Approaching Power. Crossing Power, continue east on Clinton. Approaching Meteor.
This is Los Santos Police
Braking
Department
right
reminding you
south
that
on
this
Meteor.
behavior is not only illegal, but
Approaching Vinewood Boulevard.
dangerous. Thank you.
Right west on Vinewood. Crossing Power Street, continue west on Vinewood, approaching Alta. Left south on Alta Street. Continuing south Alta,
I
approaching
tried braking
Spanish.
for that alley. I'm not sure if anything's set up there.
Copy, left east on Spanish. Immediate right, south on Alta Place. Approaching Hallway. Right, westbound hallway. Crossing Alta. Left, southbound Las Lagunas. Left, eastbound Occupation, approaching Alta. Left, northbound 22, crossing Alta, continuing
Frank,
eastbound
I got
Occupation.
visual on the original target with a tinfoil hat and a two-door sports car southbound power.
Copy. Hold comms, Paul. You can, if we can get units.
They're behind you, Lucas. They're right behind you.
Oh, okay, period. U-turn. U-turn again, merging southbound upper power.
Oh, it's over for
closing right.
them. It's over.
The one with the main target is turtled. Stand by.
Yeah, we got through the main target. They're probably gonna pick him up.
That they're coming back. They failed.
Oh, hell no, girl!
She's screaming. She's
Watch
on
out,
the
watch
way.
out, watch out.
No, Lilwood, it's not happening, Lilwood. It's over. It's double back.
Careful, there's a local running.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, locals going for them. Locals going for them.
Yeah, that's right.
Back
yeah,
on his
out of
wheel.
my way. Out of my way.
I'm staying on the original vehicle, northbound power.
Yeah, we're staying on the. We have 3 units on this other car on the.
If we're split 3 and 3.
Yeah, we'll call out this chase since this has the primary target. We're north on Del Pro or north on Power. Opposite lanes of travel. Yeah, we're doubled. We're west on Haywick now. There is still one individual missing, so just be wary of that. We're left southbound Alta Street. So headed south on Alta, right west on Occupation. So headed west on Occupation. He's taking the jump way to catch up to you guys. We're west on Carcer Way. So west on Carcer. Alright, so, south on San Vitas, we had stopped for a second. Still south, San Vitas, cross A. Milton Parkway. Now going south on Las Lagunas Boulevard. We're west on San Andreas. Left, southbound Palomino Avenue.
Oh! Hard 50. They just pulled in front of another car. I'm gonna make sure they're okay.
So Vespucci, let us know if you need comms. We're still east of
A little
Vespucci.
shaken up. I'm good though.
Are you okay?
Cross Alta
Yeah,
Street.
yeah, because I didn't expect that.
Cross
yeah,
Power.
you know, I didn't either. Are you sure you're okay?
Elgin, braking,
yeah, I'm good. I didn't go through my
braking,
windshield, so I think I'm
entering
good.
the
All right,
construction
stay
site
safe.
over by the bank, and he's boxed. Oh, he's swapping. He's swapping. He's getting out of the car, and he's hopping into another one. He went towards the east side of the construction site.
Climbed up second story of the construction site on foot.
Is there a
Jumping
car up
down
there?
in-
I see lights.
Get here. He jumped down, I believe, or he's still on second story.
I'll go up there.
BCB on him is still up there, I
Yeah.
believe.
Which
Just
construction
went up
site?
here.
Construction site, Elgin,
Fleet
sorry,
Code.
Vespucci, yeah, Vespucci Strawberry construction site.
I'm going up now. I don't see anything.
It was to the west side.
I'm gonna clear all the way up top, but I don't see anything.
Secondary
Nope.
cars northbound Los Santos Freeway. We took the wrong exit.
Yeah, we're VCB. I'll. You guys can have comms for now.
We're just at
VCB as well.
VCB. Oh. That's known for ours. That's north on Los Santos.
I think he's somewhere inside here, but I can't tell you.
I haven't seen him come down at all. I can circle in.
Yeah, I'm trying to clear everything out.
I'm also on foot there.
Are we VCB on the jugular?
If
Payphone. Last time northbound Los Santos Freeway.
24 Sky 6 and ran the Signal.
Copy. It's pushing north on Los Santos, passing the water treatment, all the way to the Sonora Freeway merges. Code 4 so far.
On your left.
Oh, okay.
It's clear the construction site again. He's on the phone with. He's at the VU, but I don't believe him.
No, I mean if you don't see him, there's no. If you didn't see him leave, there's no way. Can you just keep talking to him? You know, if you're talking shit.
He hung up on me. He started laughing when I radioed that he's still up here, so he's got to still be up here.
Oh, I think. Wait, there's an entryway here. What the fuck is this building?
Yeah, it's a lot, man.
No, there's an entryway over to the next building over. I'm gonna check that way.
I made it all the way past Grapeseed. I didn't see the vehicle. I'm U-turning. I'm gonna clear the Union Road silos and then head back to the city.
Casino on the racetrack behind used to be code 4.
Union Road silos are code 4.
I got visual on him. He's just tackled me. He was on the second, hiding behind a post. He's now running southbound. CB, he's running southbound.
I got him. He's on the other building. We're westbound. Dropping down. Now we're on the road. Adam's Apple. Eastbound.
There's
He's
a
on the
buggy
radio.
pulling up. Buggy pulling up.
Yeah, he's getting in the buggy.
Oh, yeah, pick him up, pick him up.
Alicia,
Register to Denny Goomba.
Alright, we are heading bound now on Strawberry, passing Strawberry Gas, left, eastbound, Capital. Scout, pass on my left whenever you're ready.
10-4, thank you. Continue eastbound Capital all the way to Popular. Approaching El Rancho. Approaching El Rancho, left
Locals have been
northbound
crazy.
El Rancho. Oh, 22. Going off road, slight 50. Going back eastbound Capital. Westbound Capital, 22. Approaching Popular. Passing Popular, approaching Verlo. Passing Verlo right behind CMC. Continuing westbound Davis.
360 doubled up. We're westbound Davis. Braking left, southbound. Oh, onto Grove. Alicia's ankles almost got broken. We're left. And immediate left again. We're gonna exit onto Davis. And then a left again onto
Forum, north on Forum.
Yeah, it went north on Forum. Did not go through the alleyway. Still
It
continued
went through
north.
through Forum.
I call it
BC. In the alleyway behind the clothing store. Coming out onto Strawberry.
Double back
Westbound
Carl's behind
Innocence,
the
West
clothing store.
Innocence.
Double back
I have him,
Carl's
take
in the
oil
clothing
hat
store.
going towards car wash.
What the hell?
Okay, I still have the vehicle. It's westbound Innocence. They crashed.
How many give on that roads?
I'm the only one on it. They're U-turning eastbound back towards where the individual jumped out.
Did you see where he went? Saw him get out, but we didn't follow it.
We believe he went southbound towards Forum. She didn't see though. Cannot confirm.
The thing is, it's southeast on Form, crossing over to Strawberry, all the way to Strawberry, and it looked like they turned north Strawberry. Buggy might be heading back to you guys.
We've got it here, eastbound, McDonald. Northbound Davis. The clip clovers. Transitioning eastbound Capital. Crossing
Got him on the
Popular.
roof. I got Arnie on the roof.
I know it up there.
50.
Off, we're up to northbound Strawberry. Going towards the Lucky Plucker.
At least your
That's
operator
fast.
go
It's
up.
coming towards you.
Eastbound, south side slip. Eastbound, he's got a lot of distance on me on foot. Now northbound behind Lucky Plucker VCB.
It's going back up onto the roof. Okay. You drop down by the donut shop.
Continuing eastbound across Strawberry. We need a mobile unit tackled.
I'm
He
here.
is going for cuffs. Resisted. Getting picked up. Black color 4-door. Southbound Strawberry, call it.
You get Alicia, chase the chase. You're good.
Okay, continuing eastbound McDonald to the left, northbound Davis. Continuing northbound, passing behind CMC. Transitioning eastbound Capitol. Continuing eastbound Capitol, approaching Rancho. Doubled. No. East Capitol, approaching Rancho Boulevard. Left,
Wait, break one
northbound
second.
Rancho
What's the
Boulevard.
status for roads chase?
Secondary 80 westbound to Haywick. We only have 2 units on it. It's with the quad.
Okay,
Red
copy.
should have Danny Goomba.
Alright, sorry. We'll keep comms on this one wherever Lucas is, where Arnie is.
Doing north on Rancho, cross Mirror Park Boulevard, merging north on Mirror Park Boulevard. Passing Liquid Library. Passing Mirror Park gas station, merging west on Mirror Park Boulevard, passing Glory. Ascending west on Mirror Park, approaching Elgin, crossing Elgin, approaching Media. Cross Media, continuing west, Vinewood.
Individual's been
Over
ejected
power.
from the quad, I believe. Disregard.
Left, south on
Rejected.
Alta Street, I-50.
Let me see some
crossing
hands.
Spanish, both sides south on Alta to Hallway.
Hands
Should be
up.
on Hallway, either one, left or east. East on Hallway, I believe. Disregard.
It's-
Did you see them east?
Stop
Hallway?
moving.
See them go east now. And they had to have gone west, or they're in the alleys, parallel with Hallway and Alta Street.
Ugh. Individual's back in the quad. Oh, it's disabled. Oh, I lied. It's smoking though.
Still gone.
Alright, so I'm gonna jump
I
on
think I
you.
just saw westbound VCB. Stand by, cannot confirm. Northbound Milton VCB. I cannot confirm with this.
What's up, Rhodes?
Oh, I thought you said roads, and I thought you were gonna follow up with something.
Nah.
Westbound,
I think it'd
the
be easier me
cliffs,
jumping with you so he
westbound
could just
Central
straight
Milton.
chase.
Trying to get closer to it. Northbound South Milton, left westbound. I think this might be it. Right westbound. Off road, continuing westbound.
Okay.
Now southbound, back towards the cliffs.
If I'm, it's
We
the
have a
same
plate?
one. That's the same one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
that's
it.
the same one.
He's out. Straight
Oh.
out.
He's
I
down.
can take it. I need vehicle in primary. Right.
Just hold right.
Wait, Rhodes, do you need comms right now?
Negative. The individual got ejected. They're down.
Okay, I copy.
297 secondary, can you southbound my way in Thunder? Is there a car behind me? If they are, can you take secondary.
Sir, you can't do that.
I'm passing on your left.
Alright, holding right.
The hands behind your back. We'll go ahead and get you EMS, okay?
All these guys in her. I'm gonna pick.
Here we are.
Northbound, Milton Road.
Is there an active on one?
Negative.
Affirm EMS from PD. Need a 52 on North Rockford, and West Eclipse is going to be the cross. An individual got ejected from his vehicle twice. All right.
Copy that.
You still with me?
Llama 1670.
Kinda.
This song is called "Good Luck, Babe." All right, I'm
It
gonna go
just
ahead and
hurts
take. I'm
everywhere.
gonna,
It just
take the
hurts.
mask off. Yeah, well, you know.
location is an ambulance safe.
That. 10-9.
Apologies, it was in relation to AMS.
Oh, sorry about that. I speaking to someone at the same time. My bad. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and search your person. Is there anything gonna poke, stab, stick, or prod me?
You're lying. I don't think you're sorry.
It's your own perception.
What? I'm gonna just search you.
Okay, go for it. Just be careful.
I'm careful.
Rhodes, the vehicle's all documented. What do you want it impounded for?
It was interference for a kidnapping situation, so it's a VAF.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, violent felony.
No.
Yeah. We can't be doing that, bud. All right, for the time being, I'm going to be holding on to the crowbar. I'm going to hold on to... Now I'm going to check the radio frequency here. Here we are. Just a momento.
Hey, Rhodes, can you show us how to do a VAF?
Yes. Just a moment. Ooh.
You also need to jump. You're all kinds of
shit. All right. Just to verify, did you document whether or not the vehicle was tampered with as well?
Yes, it wasn't tampered with. Plate matches VIN, all registered to Danny Goomba.
Okay, perfect. If that's the case, you can just put in a request. You can throw it in for violent felony. The original impound reason is pretty much irrelevant nowadays. I'm not too worried about that.
So we'll just do a normal request for it?
Yes. There's no PD tow or anything to that extent.
Yep.
A violent felony, yeah.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
They got ejected twice.
I heard so bad.
You heard? Oh no. Twice? How did you get back in and keep going?
Yeah, and then did it again.
Well, let's be honest though, I did get pitted into the pole.
That's, you know what? That's right. That is right. But I first did see you around the VU, so it kind of makes sense that you hit the pole.
Huh?
Oh, that's kind of true.
Guys,
I think you might be onto something.
How are you?
Do you work there?
I'm at San Andreas. Oh.
I got some
hi.
moves.
Hold on. Hey, guys, I'm on radio. They're talking on radio.
Be advised, they're talking on radio. Rhodes is on their
Female
radio
said
right now.
they were on San Andreas. And someone
Female
who
said that
sounded...
they're on San Andreas.
I can do this all day. Don't even worry about me.
She says, I can do this all day. Don't worry about me.
She said that she could do this all day. Don't worry about her.
And there was someone on radio that kind of sounded like Keo.
Okay. Be advised, Rhodes said that there's someone on radio that sounded like Keo.
Do I talk on radio?
Where are you guys?
Oh man, that's up to you.
Ooh, Arnie said, where are you guys? It sounded like Arnie.
I'm on Las Laguna Boulevard, Rockford Hills.
Yeah, right, it doesn't matter.
No, I'm good. I'm on the freeway, heading west.
She's on the freeway heading west. Are they in a foot pursuit?
Yeah, no, they're driving.
Oh. Do I destroy their mental and talk on radio?
I mean, that's up to you. Are you getting credible information that we can use, or? We're slowly losing them.
Del Perro. I'm gonna make a U-turn.
She's gonna make a U-turn?
She's gonna make a U-turn?
VCV.
Did you guys hear much from
I'm on
Danny?
the beach. I'm on the beach.
Oh. Arnie's asking about...
You might be going to the prison.
Oh.
Oh, that prison.
They know Goomba's going to prison. They're clueless.
Might change.
Clueless about radio. Hold on, 1 second. I'm gonna repair my car.
Yeah, I'll stand at you, so just.
All right, thank you.
I fucked up.
Oh, she fucked up. She fucked up.
I'm good.
She's good. She's good. Oh, she's panicking.